Hi guys, it's Carlo from Chief Chicago Limo. I decided to make this video about General Motors engine lifters issue, and I want to share my story. I'll try to make it short. Whoever knows me, they know that I've been strong advocate promoting Chevrolet Suburbans to the limo community, and have sent many drivers and persuaded them to buy a Suburban because from my 9 years of experience, Suburbans never break, or they used to. But this year, 2018, I repaired summertime engine lifter problems, which was very busy, and I just did it, and I did not pay attention to the problem. But December 1st, now by the way it's December 21st, my 2021 and 2022 they broke around the same time, and with the same problem. General Motors engine lifters misfiring on, what was it, third and fourth cylinder, one of them, and engine ticks, knocks. The car is basically undrivable for business. And then I started digging, and I found out that General Motors have a lawsuit from 2021, still not into court, I think. But our situation is a little bit different. We are losing money. It's not like my wife's car broke down and she can take Uber to go to work and come back and things like that. And our cars are losing money every day. The car is not on the road, at least $350 a day for sure, per car. Another problem is that I lost one of my drivers because he couldn't wait, and I understand that. Another issue is covering your jobs and covering your clients. I try to keep all the existing clients, but I keep on rejecting new orders because of this issue. I opened 2 claims with General Motors. They caused them both, telling me that my cars have high mileage. One of them is 175,000, the other one is 2005. It's 205,000, sorry. But because I know many people in the limo, and I'm in groups with 1,000 drivers, and for 2 days I found 3 other cases with 30,000 miles, with 80,000 miles, and with 160,000 miles. By accident, my client's driver in Las Vegas, he has a Suburban too, and he had the same problem last week at 105,000 miles. I quickly found about Escalade business limo guys, owners, who use the vehicles for making money. They've been having the same issue at less than 5,000 miles. So I tried to talk to GM about that, try to tell them to acknowledge the problem, because it's really their problem, 100% sure. Because I told you, Chevy used to be a tank. No downtime, nothing. Only transmission used to break around 170,000 miles or 200,000 miles, but that was a minor repair. That was like $3,000, $3,500 max, and 2 days out of business. But now the situation is different. Repairs are like 9,000 if you want to repair the engine, the lifters, and the camshafts, or if you want to change a new engine, is like 3,000-4,000 more. And I just want to tell you something else. Be careful when you're buying General Motors vehicles, because nobody will tell you about this problem until you start digging into it, and you might experience with higher percentage the same issues that we, the limo guys, are having, and we are losing money from it, and GM is not taking any measures. So the only thing for me to left is to blow the social media and make all the other limo guys that having the same issue to make videos too, post it on social networks. And I'm just telling you, don't buy General Motors vehicles anymore. There are other brands for chauffeur transportation services, and I'll make sure that I'll not be sending people to the Chevrolet dealers or the Cadillac Escalade dealerships to buy General Motors vehicles. So just tell them don't buy it until General Motors take any measures and kind of accepts that the engine lifters are faulty. So briefly, this is my story, and I hope I helped at least one person not to buy General Motor vehicle for now. If I help more, I'll still be okay. I'll kind of feel like satisfied. Yes, money out of pocket, but at least I will try to help the people, the community, the business community, and the personal buyers for these vehicles. So I wish you all the best and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and stay away from General Motors vehicles for now because of the engine lifters issues.